Safe to say for many of you, it was a hail of a day, and it just kept coming. Here's a look right now at where we stand on radar, but multiple hail reports, the largest of which falling out in places like Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Village, Westlake, as well as Marble Falls. Check out the size of that hail that was reported on 1431 and Highway 281. As we zoom in, multiple reports from Horseshoe Bay out toward Marble Falls, where the hail was coming down fast and furious. It weakened a little bit as it headed toward Leander, but it piled up 2 inches deep. Incredible. As the hailstorms continue to push to the east, they weaken even more. North Austin experiencing a lightning show, with it just continuing through the area. And I know numerous areas have seen repeated rounds of rain. Austin, we're at 64 degrees. We do have some storms in place after a high of 84. So much humidity, a stalled front, an area of low pressure, all of those ingredients coming together to make this a weather alert day. And it's not done yet. Overnight tonight, we're going to see more storms expected, and there is the potential, especially in our eastern areas, that this won't wrap up until early morning. So severe thunderstorm watch until 4 a.m. Current look at radar. Everything is temporarily a lull I-35 points west, but to the east, we're still watching one really nasty storm that is plowed east through Bastrop, is now making its way toward Giddings. You can see 1.25 inches for the possible hail size, 70-mile-per-hour winds, and there's also a little bit of rotation showing up with this thing. Because of that, can't rule out maybe a spin up. Watching the highest winds and possible rotation east of Lexington now, and also another little notch down south near Giddings. All of this pushing quickly eastward. That's going to be moving through Dime Box right around, in the next 20 minutes or so. Ledbetter, 1028, Carmine, right around at 1037. And here's that hail core here that's going to be moving into Giddings and up toward Lexington. Possibly some severe hail there too. What is ahead? Future clouds and radar showing the storms pushing to the east, but wait, there are more down in San Antonio, and some of those could make their way into our area through the overnight. Here's 2 a.m., there's 3 a.m., and there's 4 a.m. Finally, by 5 a.m., you can breathe a sigh of relief, and we're going to see improving weather as this weather maker will have come to an end and moved out. Temperature tomorrow much cooler. It'll be windy as well, 74 degrees, and we get a nice stretch of quiet weather as everyone recovers, makes insurance claims, and waits for the next round of severe thunderstorms.